Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring RPG-SHOW. Big thank you to RPG-SHOW for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have another one of their bomb 13x6 fit lock drawstring lace wigs. This is 200 density. This is a Swiss transparent lace in the color light brown, 20 inches, silky straight texture, and this is a custom color. All links and details will be down below, but I'm just showing you this amazing hairline. Look how proper this hairline is, like tweezed, bleached, everything to perfection. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. This is all parting space right here. 13x6, fully customized, fully bleached. You have all that parting space, and there are quite a few reinforcements. You have a adjustable elastic band, there are combs, you have another comb in the nape along with the fit lock, and it's fit lock because once you cinch that, you use that one notch there, and that is what's going to lock it in place. So that is your fit lock mechanism to keep your wig from moving around. Now I'm just going to cut the lace off in the back because I don't need that, but you can leave a little of it on if you want. And we're going to jump into the install. So I'm using no glue at all. This is a completely glueless install. I will be using some of that lace tape that came with the wig, so that's what I'm going to use to install it. Here I'm just showing you how I use the fit lock mechanism. I just cinch it and I make sure I push that lock up, and then I tuck it in, and I am good to go. It's secure and concealed. I'm absolutely loving this color and this texture. I'm going to show you that you can wear this right out of the box. I will show you what this looks like with the curls that it came in because they're done so well. Here I'm just showing you the hairline because I'm in awe. This is a really, really good hairline. But I mean, RPG-SHOW never misses. So definitely check out my playlist to check out some other looks because I have quite a few gems when it comes to their wig. So here I'm just cutting my ear tabs, and I'm just cutting around in like a C shape around my ear and ensuring that that fits nice and snug. I'm going to repeat this on the other side, just cutting it in a C shape and making sure that it fits nice and it lays flat. That is what you want to make sure, that the lace lays flat without any product. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the excess lace. So once I'm done cutting off the excess lace, I'm just clipping up the ear tabs and I am applying the lace tape. I did go in with some rubbing alcohol to remove my makeup because you have the best results when you use lace tape on clean skin. So then I'm using one strip of that lace tape and I'm just pressing it down and making sure that it is fully adhered and ensuring that none of my natural hair is getting caught on that tape, and I am done. No glue, and it's nice and snug, nice and secure, and that lace is super HD. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process on the other side, just laying that tape down and pushing the lace into it. And I do use the comb to press the lace into that tape. So once I'm done here, I'm really just going to comb out these curls so you get an idea of what this wig looks like right out of the package. Gorgeous waves. This looks really long to be 20 inches, but I'm not complaining because you know I love my inches. But I'm just going to use the hot comb to flatten out the top, and that will be like it if you were to do a ready to wear look. But of course, we're going to jump into quite a few different styles in this video. Definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have that hype option, hype me up, give me a hype. But we're going to finish this part, and then we're going to jump into style number 1. So that is it for the out of the box install, and I'm super excited to do this. This is completely glueless. Look at that. All that parting space, such a deep part. So of course we are going to do some pin curls because this hair holds an amazing curl. So I think I have found the cheat code to big fluffy curls. Number one, you need a good quality hair. And RPG Show is definitely in my top 2, and it's not 2. You need good quality hair, and you definitely need a good layer cut. So this was already customized for me. I did not put any scissors to this hair, but when these curls come down, I have never really had results like this. This hair quality is A1. It holds an amazing curl. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my T3 barrel and I'm curling everything in a backwards, upwards motion. And I'm just taking 2 duck clips and I am pinning the hair, and then once the hair is cool, I will hit it with some hairspray and then I'll take them down. But I'm going to repeat this process on each side. I think for each side I did about 5 to 6 curls, and that is what I'm going to do to achieve the big fluffy look. So I'm taking the iron, rolling everything back into an upwards motion and pinning it in place. So I did repeat the same steps on the other side, and now that the hair is cool, I'm just using some light holding spray, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't have to be perfect because the look itself is indeed perfect. So here I'm just taking the clips down, and as you can see, it's holding a really good curl. But once I run my fingers through this hair and get to that wide tooth comb, you'll see these big fluffy waves activate. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I have done this style in like a few different ways on many types of hair and never had results like this. Like, this is how you know your hair is good, when it curls like this. So I'm just going to take the curls down on each side, a few finishing touches, and that is it for style number 2. And I absolutely love it. This is how I would restyle my hair to my liking. As you can see, it comes to you styled, but this is just another way that you can restyle the hair. And then I'm going to jump into style number 3. So before we jump into style number 3, I just want to show you this shake test because the fit lock is activated. Do you see this? This hair, this wig is not budging, and those curls fell back in place. And that is it for that style. Now we're going to jump into style number 2, which is just a split bang and claw clip. Check it out. See, what I believe is we've been granted the power. What's that? Power what? So the only thing that I did different than I usually do is I took the bang and I curled everything together in one piece and I pinned it and let those drop. But this is just another way that you can recreate this style. And then for style, the last style, I'm really just going to take the claw clip and put it up into a high ponytail, and that is it. And then we're just going to remix it and add a ponytail. But that is it for this look and this wig. Let me know what you think about this down below. All the links will be down in the description box. I will add this to my playlist of RPG show wigs. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.